How to use promo code on Taco Bell app. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to use promo code on Taco Bell app, you may follow up this step. So you may open up the application first, the Taco Bell application on your device, and log in into your account if you have not logged in yet, and you will be finding this particular interface here. So what you can do is you can basically go ahead and start the order first. Go ahead and take an order. You can scroll through the given options or go to the menu tab and then look out for specific food items that you would like to order. For example, I would like to order this one right here, this product right here. So you can find the product and look out for customize before ordering it. I would like to just go ahead and do a normal order. So I'm just gonna tap on add and add it to my bag. Now, once the product is added, you can look out for other items as well. For now, I would only like to select one product. You can tap on view my bag and you will be taken to this page. Now, in order to add up a promo code, you will be finding a section called add promo code while you check out. So look out for this option called add promo code, drop it down, and when you drop it down, you will be finding a box where you can enter the promo code. Tap on it, and here just go ahead and enter the promo code that you're trying to apply. After that, tap on apply, and once that is done, tap on checkout, and the promo code will be applied onto your Taco Bell application with your products that are available that you have added. So this is how you basically use promo code on Taco Bell application very easily. It is pretty quick and easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.